Dear students, welcome to the virtual learning platform of Shri Guru Sudhindra College. Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the graphical applications in internet programming Java. So let us start our discussion with a program. Right, so before designing the actual Java program, let me show you what the expected output is. Okay, so the output is this. Through applet viewer we are expecting the output, and this should be the output. So here I'm running the application, right? So let me give the name of the file as numValues.class, right? For this particular file, right, if I run it then in an applet format, so this is the output what I am expecting, right? So to run the applet we are using applet loader, right? So applet loader dot started, here it is showing the status. Applet loader has started, it has initiated, and what it is running? It is running numValues dot class. As and when it runs the applet, it is showing the output here, sum is equals to 30. Now what is required here? The entire screen is empty, and at the center there is a value, sum is equals to 30, right? Sum colon 30. So as we have already discussed, for such kind of applications to design the applet, normally we take the help of HTML code, right? So it is unlike normal programs where we'll be having two components here. One is a general Java program, along with that there is going to be HTML file. HTML and Java both we are going to club, and we are going to generate this kind of output here. So this is the output file what we are expecting. Now let me show you the HTML file for this. HTML/HTML, right? HTML/HTML. In that there is a applet statement here, applet/applet. So in applet what we have? We have code, we have width, and we have height. So you can see here, for this there is a width, and for this there is a height, right? So width and height both are mentioned here. Width is equals to 300, height is equals to 300, and along with that we have got a code here. What is the code? numValue.class, because numValue.class is a file, that class file I am executing here. So I have written this applet/applet. Within that the code is mentioned, width is mentioned, height is mentioned. Width is 300, height is 300, and the application is mentioned. Now let me show you the content of numValues.class. In numValues.class, this is the content, right? So it is showing the program here. Import java.awt.star, import java.applet.star, right? So these are the header files. Then public class, the name of the program extends applet, right? Name of the program, and along with that extends applet. So in this what we want here, as we are designing the applet, what is expected? We need a paint class, right? Public void paint graphics G. Now in this, what is the expected value here? Expected value is 30. What this 30 shows? 30 means it is showing something like addition of two numbers, right? The expected output here in this applet is 30. So 30 means sum is equals to 30, right? It is showing sum equals to 30, means the applet here is performing, the program is performing some sort of addition operation. So let me cover. So here I have taken the two variables. You can see here value1, value2 are the two variables. The first variable value is 10 and the second variable value is 20. So 10 and 20 both I am adding here. As and when I add 10 and 20, I am going to get the output here, right? For the output again I have written another function, int sum is equals to value1 plus value2. So what happens when you go through this particular statement? It's going to add the values of both the variables, value1 and value2, and the sum it is going to store in this particular variable. Fine. This happens in normal programs. But now what we are doing is we are using the applet to show this particular output. Okay, so this is the statement g.drawString, right? In applet, if you want to write something, then you have to use this g.drawString. What to draw? Content of yes. Where to draw? At 10, 100, 100. X-axis 100, y-axis 100. We want to present something, and that is yes. Now what is yes? Yes is always, it should be in string format. But here in this program, we are displaying a number, right? So number is in an integer format, and whatever we have to display it is in string format. So what has to be done? Typecasting has to be done, converting the data from one type to another type. So this is the mandatory step. For that, what has to be done? For that, this method is used here. You can see here, string dot value of sum, right? String dot value of sum. What is sum? Sum is equals to value 1 plus value 2. See, there are two variables taken, as and when you add both the values, you are going to get the answer here. Both the values are integer, so output is also in integer format. Now it is my duty to convert integer into string format. For that, I am using this particular statement, string dot value of sum. Sum means 30, value of sum is 30, string dot value of sum, it converts the number 30 into string, right? Now using plus, we are appending sum plus 30, it means sum colon 30. That's going to be the statement here. The same message I have copied it in here, and finally I am displaying here. For us, 30 is a number, sum with double quote is a string. So as and when you convert the integer number into string format, you are going to get the integer number in string format, right? String format means within two double quotes. So that's it. This program will calculate the things. This particular part is going to generate the applet here, right? Generate the applet, and finally this particular part will present the output on the screen. So this is about the program using applet to present the value of two numbers, right? The addition of two numbers on screen using applet. So thank you for accepting the digital learning platform of Sri Guru Sudhindra College. Happy learning. Take care. Thank you.